Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an account in KuCoin. First, navigate to the official KuCoin website or download their mobile application from your app store. Once there, locate and click the Sign Up button. You will then be prompted to enter either your email address or your phone number. After providing this information, create a strong, unique password for your account. Remember to review and agree to KuCoin's terms of service before proceeding to the next step. After signing up, you'll need to verify your account. If you used an email, check your inbox for a verification link. If you used a phone number, enter the SMS code received. For robust security, immediately enable two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA, using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. While not always mandatory for basic trading, completing identity verification, or KIC, can unlock higher withdrawal limits and additional features. With your account secured, it's time to fund it. You can deposit cryptocurrency you already own from another wallet or exchange directly into your KuCoin account. Alternatively, if you're new to crypto, you can purchase digital assets using fiat currency. KuCoin supports various payment methods for this, including bank transfers, credit cards, and third-party payment providers. Choose the option that best suits your needs, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your first deposit. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to explore the vast world of cryptocurrency trading on KuCoin. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface, including spot trading, futures, and staking options. Remember to always trade responsibly and manage your risks effectively. Before you go, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, ensuring your feet stay comfortable and supported for years to come. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.